This generic 1200-watt pure sine inverter acts like a translator for electricity. It takes the direct current, DC, power from a 12-volt battery, like the one in your car, RV, or boat. Then, it changes it into alternating current, AC, power. This is the same kind of power that comes from the outlets in your house. So, you can use your regular electronics even when you are off-grid. The generic 1200-watt pure sine inverter gives you 2 GFCI outlets for safety. It also has a regular USB port and a Type-C port to charge your phones and tablets. The multi-display screen is like a helpful dashboard. It shows you important information about the power. You can see how much power you are using. You can also see the battery voltage. If there is a fault, the screen will let you know. This generic 1200-watt pure sine inverter has a peak power of 2400 watts. This means it can handle a sudden burst of power needed by some devices when they start up. It's a useful solution for many power needs. And it has multiple connection points. For anyone looking for reliable off-grid power, the generic 1200-watt pure sine inverter is a solid choice. It smoothly converts power. This is important for sensitive electronics. It ensures they run properly and safely. It's easy to use and understand. Plus, the multiple outlets and USB ports add to its convenience. It's a great addition to your power systems for camping trips or as a backup. It doesn't matter if you are in Canada or anywhere else. This inverter offers a practical power management option. Pros: pure sine wave output 1200 watt continuous power 2400 watt peak power, multi-display screen. 2 GFCI outlets 30 watt USB port 18W Type-C port, for car, RV, truck, off-grid capable, multiple safety features. Cons: pure sine wave 12-volt DC to 120-volt AC 2400 watt peak, multi-display screen 2 GFCI. Outlet 30 watt USB 18W Type-C, car RV truck boat, off-grid 1200W 12-volt features. 1200 watt power inverter. Pure sine wave 12-volt DC to 120-volt AC 2400 watt peak. Multi-display screen 2 GFCI outlets 30 watt USB port 18W Type-C port, for car, RV, truck, boat, off-grid use. This device is a 1200 watt power inverter. It takes 12-volt DC power and changes it to 120-volt AC power. It can handle a peak of 2400 W. The inverter makes a pure sine wave, which is good for electronics. It has a screen that shows information. There are 2 GFCI outlets for safety. It also has a 30 watt USB port and an 18W Type-C port to charge phones and tablets. You can use this in your car, RV, truck, or boat. It's helpful for when you are off-grid and need power. This 1200-watt power inverter changes 12-volt battery power to 120-volt household power. So you can use regular electronics in your car, RV, truck, or boat, even when you're not plugged into the wall. It can handle devices needing up to 1200 watt of continuous power. And for a short time, it can even power things needing up to 2400 W. The inverter has a screen that shows you important information. 2 regular outlets with GFCI protection for safety. A fast-charging USB port. And a Type-C port for your phones and tablets. It makes clean power like what you get at home. So it's safe for sensitive electronics. And it has many safety features to protect your devices and the inverter itself.